Hey, garden lovers! Are you tired of empty spots in your yard and spending hours planting over and over again? What if I told you that some plants could do all the spreading for you, while keeping your garden full, lush, and colorful all season long? In today's video, we're diving into fast-spreading perennials that will instantly transform your garden. These are the kind of plants you plant once, and they take it from there. Let's get into it. Creeping Jenny is the ultimate ground cover for bright, bold color. Its cascading golden leaves light up garden beds and containers alike. This beauty thrives in USDA zones 3 through 9 and does well in both sun and partial shade. Once it's established, Creeping Jenny spreads like wildfire, filling in gaps and flowing beautifully over rocks, walls, and paths. It's particularly stunning when planted around stepping stones or in hanging baskets where it can drape naturally. Plus, it helps suppress weeds, making it as practical as it is pretty. Keep in mind, though, it spreads aggressively, so be ready to keep it in check. You can trim the edges or even use landscape edging to guide its path. If managed well, it becomes a stunning accent that feels effortless. Ajuga, also known as bugleweed, is a low-growing ground cover with rich foliage in shades of green, burgundy, or bronze. It produces charming purple flower spikes in spring that attract pollinators. It's hardy in USDA zones 3 to 10 and grows best in partial shade. What makes Ajuga special is its ability to cover ground quickly and densely. It forms thick mats that help block out weeds, and its color variation adds visual texture to your garden. It's ideal for underplanting shrubs or trees where grass struggles to grow. You'll love how Ajuga spreads effortlessly, but don't worry, it's easy to pull back if needed. This plant is perfect if you want beauty with minimal fuss. Catmint is a favorite among gardeners for its soft gray-green foliage and endless waves of lavender blue blooms. It's drought-tolerant, pollinator-friendly, and thrives in USDA zones 4 through 8. This plant spreads steadily through rhizomes and reseeds itself generously. It forms lovely mounds that cascade over borders, making it ideal for cottage gardens or softening edges of walkways. Once it starts, it keeps blooming and spreading with very little care. Plus, it's deer-resistant and incredibly hardy. If you want an easygoing plant that gives your garden a romantic, wild look, Catmint is your go-to. Looking for cheerful color that keeps on giving? Black-eyed Susan bursts with golden yellow blooms and dark centers that shine from summer through fall. It's reliable in zones 3 to 9. These perennials spread through underground stems and self-seeding, creating generous clumps that return stronger every year. They're low-maintenance, drought-resistant, and beloved by butterflies and bees. Black-eyed Susans add a wildflower charm that instantly uplifts any space. And because they're tough as nails, you don't have to baby them, just plant and enjoy. Daylilies are like garden workhorses, vibrant, tough, and endlessly multiplying. Found in zones 3 to 10, they come in countless colors and bloom for weeks. These plants form clumps that grow larger each year, and they're incredibly easy to divide and replant. Within a few seasons, a single plant can give you enough to fill an entire flower bed. Whether you're going for a bright burst of orange or a soft pastel mix, Daylilies are guaranteed to create a full, impactful garden with minimal effort. If you want something bold, fragrant, and fast-spreading, Balm is your answer. Thriving in zones 4 to 9, it produces vibrant red, pink, or purple blooms that hummingbirds can't resist. Balm spreads via rhizomes, forming large colonies in just a couple of seasons. It's perfect for natural-style gardens, pollinator gardens, or even cutting gardens for fresh bouquets. Give it a bit of space and moisture, and it will reward you with color and motion all summer long. Just be sure to divide every few years to keep it from crowding out neighbors. Lamb's ear adds soft texture and a silvery contrast that makes flowers pop. It grows well in zones 4 to 8 and prefers sunny, dry spots. It spreads through creeping stems, quickly forming a low, fuzzy carpet of foliage. Kids love to touch it, and gardeners love how it adds calm and contrast in beds and borders. It's particularly good as edging or to soften hardscaping. Though it flowers too, the real star is the silvery foliage that spreads beautifully and brings a unique charm. Sedum, especially creeping varieties like dragon's blood, is a drought-tolerant, succulent ground cover that thrives in zones 3 to 9. It's ideal for sunny spots with poor soil. This plant spreads with ease, forming a dense mat that turns green in spring and often red in fall. It's practically bulletproof and great for rock gardens, slopes, and borders. Sedum requires almost no care and provides texture and color year-round. Echinacea is a native wildflower that's both beautiful and beneficial. Hardy in zones 3 to 9, it offers pink to purple blooms that stand tall and attract bees, butterflies, and birds. It spreads through self-seeding, creating natural-looking clusters that multiply each year. With minimal care, your patch of coneflowers can double in size in just a couple of seasons. It's also medicinal. Many people use Echinacea for herbal remedies, so it's not only a visual star, but also a useful addition to your home garden. Yarrow is a tough-as-nails perennial that grows in zones 3 to 9. Its feathery foliage and flat-topped flowers come in a variety of colors, from white to bright pink and gold. This plant spreads both by rhizomes and seed, and is known for thriving in tough soil and dry conditions. It forms large clumps quickly, which are great for filling open spaces. Yarrow adds a soft, wild feel to the garden, and it's loved by pollinators. Plus, it's one of those plants you can basically forget about, and it still thrives. There you have it, fast-spreading perennials that do the heavy lifting for you. Whether you want more color, fewer weeds, or just a fuller garden, these plants are the answer. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss more garden inspiration. See you in the next video.